Are you tired of just operating with one screen? Are you ready to be more productive at home and work? Well, I got the product for you. Next. Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the KYY X90D dual monitors for PC and Mac. So this dual monitor setup is actually a triple monitor setup because of the monitor you already have. So it will place one on the left and one on the right, plus the one you already have in the middle. And there's multiple ways that you can set this up using USB-A, USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, and the quick start guide has all that for you. Because I have the MacBook M2, which supports 5 volts, 3 amps output, I will only need one screen. Some PCs and some of the newer Macs support this. Some you might have to use the charging brick, which is included. Now just going through the accessories, we have the USB-A to USB-C adapter, USB-C to USB-C with an A adapter built in, so it's right on the side there. It's very nice. That's what I'm going to be using here. And it's actually got a 90-degree angle, which is pretty cool too. And now we have our USB-A charging brick. You will only need this if you have an older laptop, older Mac or older PC. And then you have a 90-degree USB-C to USB-A cable. So they gave you everything you need, which is great. They did not skimp on anything, which I do appreciate. As for the device itself, folds off to the right, very beautiful design, and you can fold this 3 different ways. In the triangular, you can also have it landscape as well. I'm going to be using it just like so, and it's also a full HD 1080p IPS monitors, and make sure you remove the plastic film from the monitors as well. Alright, so setting it up is very easy for my MacBook M2. I'm just going to plug right into the USB-C cable on the side. And once again, if you need power, you will be using the charging brick. I won't have to, but the charging brick would be installed at this point. Here's my one cable going in, and when you do plug in, you will just get a quick flash of a white screen. Don't freak out, because you will need an application first called the Instant View application. Once you download that, then the screens will work. So here, you'll just go right into the Instant View and search for downloads. Then you'll download the application, whether it's for your PC or your Mac, install it, and then go ahead and start it up. And voila, just like that, the 3 screens will pop up in all their glory with one cable connected. Absolutely fantastic. Love it. And you can see, you can now enjoy the freedom of using 3 monitors at once with one cable if your device supports it, and if not, it's just an extra power cable, no big deal. Now, let's sit back and enjoy the productivity you deserve. And that was the KYY X90D dual monitors for PC and Mac. Thanks for watching.